Tired of static images? Use AI image to video tools to turn 2D photos into captivating 3D animations. Bring old family photos or creative artwork to life with ease. No special skills are needed, just upload your images, describe what you want, and let AI handle the rest. Share your one-of-a-kind videos on social media. It's free and simple to use. Try it out today. Hi everyone, this is SkillsTuber. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. If you enjoy this content, please support my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. First, let's go to the Hailuo AI website. The homepage is displayed in Chinese by default, but don't worry, we can easily translate it to our preferred language. I'm using the Edge browser, so I'll click on the translate icon at the top of the page. This feature is also available in other browsers. In the Translate To drop-down menu, I select the language I want and then click Translate. As you can see, the interface now appears in English. Next, I click on the Create a Video button, which takes us to the video generation section. To get started, I click Login at the top right, which brings up the registration and login options. I choose Continue with Google to log in with my Gmail account. The profile icon is located in the top right corner, and when I click 3-day free trial, we get a look at the different plans Hailuo AI offers. As a welcome perk, Hailuo AI provides new users with 3 days of unlimited access, allowing you to create as many videos as you like without credit restrictions. After those 3 days, you'll move to the free plan, where your available credits determine the number of videos you can generate. Now, I'll click on the Explore option at the top of the page. This opens a prompt box with a gallery of creations made using Hailuo AI just below. There's also a Mine tab above the gallery, which displays the videos I've generated with Hailuo AI. In the latest Hailuo AI update, there's now a new icon in the lower left corner of the prompt box, specifically for the image-to-video process. This feature supports JPG and PNG files up to 20 megabytes, with minimum dimensions of 300 pixels on the shortest side and an aspect ratio between 2:5 and 5:1:2. I click on this icon, select an image from my computer that I want to animate, and upload it. Depending on the file size, the upload takes just a moment, and a thumbnail of the image appears. Once the upload is complete, I describe my animation expectations in the prompt box so the AI knows exactly how to bring my image to life. This process may evolve in future updates, but for now, this is how it works. I've entered a detailed prompt specifying the animation elements I want, and then I click Generate to convert the image into an animated video. My request goes into the queue, and soon after, my animated video is ready, with a thumbnail preview available. I click the thumbnail to view it in full size. Although I wasn't completely satisfied with the first test animation, I didn't give up. Here, I'll show some results from later attempts. As I've mentioned before, this process often requires a bit of trial and error with the prompts to get ideal results. Now, let's consider another approach. Suppose you don't have an image yet. I'll walk you through creating a prompt to generate an image with various AIs, which you can later animate using Hailuo AI. There are several tools for generating images from text prompts. A prompt is essentially a description of your idea, which you can create using AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. For instance, I might ask ChatGPT to describe a dream image of a Lamborghini for an art generator. ChatGPT's response becomes the prompt, which I then copy for the image generator. Your prompt expresses your unique vision, so type it as specifically as possible. The AI reads your description and generates an image based on it. The more detailed and precise your prompt, the better the AI will match the result to your vision. One of the top art generators is Leonardo. I've covered Leonardo AI in previous tutorials, so feel free to check those out on my channel. After signing up and logging in, I click on Image Creation. Leonardo offers 50 free tokens daily for generating images. I paste ChatGPT's prompt into the text box, then select Phoenix from the preset drop-down list, one of the latest models for image generation. Under Preset Style, I choose 3D render for a 3D look. The aspect ratio is set to 16:9, and I choose 4 images to be generated. I click Generate, and my request goes into the queue. After a brief wait, my text prompt becomes an image, and the thumbnails appear. I click on each thumbnail to view them in full size, and I'm very pleased with the results. Each image has a download button below it. They're in 3D style, and as of this tutorial's release date, images generated with Leonardo's free account don't have watermarks. Now, I'll introduce another AI image generator to test the same prompt in a different tool. Here, we enter Piclumen. As of this tutorial's release, Piclumen is completely free and offers unlimited access. After creating an account and logging in, we land on the Piclumen dashboard. Piclumen provides various models for image generation. In the top prompt box, I set the first drop-down to Piclumen Realistic V2 as the generation model. Next, I select a 16:9 aspect ratio and set the number of images per generation to 4. I paste ChatGPT's prompt into the text box, click Generate, and my request enters the queue. Soon, my text turns into images, and the thumbnails appear. I click on a thumbnail to view the images in full size. These images are in a realistic style, and as of this tutorial, Piclumen's free account images come without watermarks. I download one of the images. Now that you've seen the image creation process in both Leonardo and Piclumen, let's move on to animating these images. Returning to Hailuo AI, I clear the previous prompt, click on the image upload icon in the lower left corner of the prompt box, and select the Lamborghini image to upload. In the prompt box, I provide detailed instructions for animating the image so that Hailuo AI can bring it to life exactly as I envision. After entering my animation prompt, I click Generate to convert the image into an animated video. My request goes into the queue, and shortly after, my animated video is ready. I click on the thumbnail to view the video in full size. As before, the first test animation might not be entirely perfect, but I'm not discouraged. Here, I'll show you other results from later tests. As I've emphasized throughout, you may need to repeat this process and refine your prompt text to achieve the best results. With some persistence, you'll be able to create impressive animations, as demonstrated here. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, please hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you know someone who'd enjoy learning about AI, share this video with them. This is just one of many tutorials on this channel, so if you're passionate about AI, you're in the right place. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.